Have you seen the specs for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? It's shaping up to be a major upgrade, but what exactly are the key differences compared to the S23 Ultra? Let's start with the design. At first glance, the S24 Ultra looks very similar to its predecessor. It has the same sleek, premium look we've come to expect from Samsung's Ultra line. However, upon closer inspection, you'll notice a few key differences. The display is flatter, and the edges are more streamlined. This gives it a more seamless, futuristic aesthetic. Samsung has also improved the cooling system to make the phone run more efficiently. Now let's talk about that display. It's still a gorgeous 6.8 inches AMOLED screen with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But Samsung has made it even better on the S24 Ultra. They've increased the peak brightness by over 10%, so images and videos will really pop. The display is also more energy efficient thanks to advancements in the underlying technology. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is a processing powerhouse. It runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which benchmarks show has over 15% better performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the S23 Ultra. That means you can expect incredibly fast speeds, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing photos and videos. Of course, we can't talk about a new Galaxy Ultra phone without discussing the camera. This is where the S24 Ultra really blows us away. It has a staggering 200 MP main sensor. That's nearly double the resolution of the S23 Ultra's camera. You'll be able to capture images with incredible levels of detail. Samsung has also added a new 50 MP telephoto lens capable of 10 times optical zoom. So your zoomed-in shots will look crisp and clear. Battery life is always a concern with big, powerful phones like this. But thankfully, the 5,000 mAh battery in the S24 Ultra, paired with the more efficient processor, should last over a day of heavy use. One area we hope Samsung improves in the S25 is charging speeds. 45 watts wired charging feels outdated compared to the 100+ watt charging we see on some competing flagships. Of course, the S24 Ultra comes equipped with all of the top-of-the-line features you'd expect: 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, UFS 4.0 storage, an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the display. And yes, the S Pen is back and better than ever, with the lowest latency and most accurate pressure sensitivity yet for the smoothest possible writing experience. Samsung has really made some meaningful upgrades across the board with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The camera, display, processor, they've all gotten noticeably better compared to the already excellent S23 Ultra. We can't wait to get our hands on one and take it for a full spin. The rumored $1,200 price tag puts it right in line with other premium flagships. And if the February 2024 release timeframe is accurate, it's right around the corner. So in summary, with the S24 Ultra, Samsung has taken the best smartphone on the market and made it even better. The hardware and software improvements represent a significant evolutionary leap forward. If you want the absolute cutting edge in mobile technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks like it will be the phone to beat next year. And there you have it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a beast of a phone. Let us know which feature you're most excited about in the comments.